Can the woman work outside the house? There's no yes and no. There is, I need more. Meaning, what kind of a job? What kind of a job? So, number one, what kind of a job? If the job is haram, the answer is no right away. I'm assuming the job is halal. Is the job is halal, but inside that job, and by the way, this applies to men and women, up till now, inside that job there is haram, and there's specific things for a woman that's haram, right? My dress code, my interaction, my way of saying things, doing things, all these. 3, is by me going and working, is it affecting negatively my children? Negatively? That's something only the woman and her husband can decide. Because there isn't one size fit all. I have seen physicians very successful, mashallah, tabarakallah, their children. And I have seen women opted not to work. Physicians stayed home, took care of her children. That's her choice. She said, these to me, I want to give them everything I have. That's her choice. So, woman working outside the house is not categorically halal or categorically haram. It depends.